Welcome to our Avko Interior tutorial. The most important place to start is preparing your walls before applying the paint. Any imperfections should be filled and sanded down, ready for applying your base coat. Please ensure your walls are smooth and free from dust and dirt. We recommend using a water-based emulsion paint as an undercoat, thinned down with water to a 50-50 mix for newly plastered walls, and then a full coat, unthinned, applied on top once this is completely dry. Upon opening the can, stir the paint ready for application. Now it's time to paint the wall. Are you ready? Using a stiff brush, like this one, your first coat can be applied. Ensure you use sufficient paint to cover the wall, but don't worry about the finish just yet. Ensure the whole surface is fully covered and there is no sign of undercoat being seen coming through. Now leave your paint to dry. Depending on room temperature, drying times may vary, but in most cases this takes around half an hour to an hour. It's important the paint is fully dry before applying your second coat to ensure the best result. Now it's time to get creative with your second coat. This is where you can find your perfect finish. This time the coat needs to be applied to be able to move the paint around. This will help create the textured look that's made achievable with Avko Interior Sharazade paint. We are applying Sharazade like this using a crisscross motion. If this is not to your taste, you can create your own finish by using different brush strokes. Just look at what can be achieved with a bit of imagination. Once you're happy with the finish, leave to dry and stand back to admire your work. Feel free to contact our friendly sales team with any queries you may have by calling the office on 023 80 452 452 or visit our website www.avkointerior.co.uk for more tips and advice. Want to get hands-on? We offer a variety of workshops for painters and decorators, interior designers and individuals to learn about our products here at Avko Interior Studio in Hamble, Hampshire. Find out more on our website.